The global shift toward electric mobility has transformed the automotive industry, and compact electric vehicles are now becoming a practical choice for everyday drivers. In this evolving landscape, the Chevrolet Bolt EV stands out as a car designed to make electric driving accessible, efficient, and realistic for daily use. Rather than focusing on extreme luxury or hypercar-level performance, the Bolt EV targets practicality, affordability, and usability while still delivering impressive electric range and modern technology. This vehicle represents a balance between innovation and simplicity, offering a smooth entry into the world of electric vehicles for urban and suburban lifestyles alike. Exterior design and styling. The exterior design of the Chevrolet Bolt EV is modern, compact, and purpose-built for efficiency. Its tall hatchback profile maximizes interior space while maintaining a small footprint that makes city driving effortless. The aerodynamic front fascia is clean and minimal, featuring slim LED headlights that give the car a sharp and futuristic appearance. Smooth body lines reduce drag, helping improve driving range, while the slightly raised stance gives it a crossover-like feel without sacrificing agility. From the side, the short overhangs and large glass area enhance visibility and contribute to a light, open cabin feel. The rear design continues the clean theme, with distinctive LED taillights and a practical hatch that emphasizes functionality over unnecessary styling complexity. Overall, the Bolt EV's design prioritizes efficiency, visibility, and everyday usability rather than aggressive sportiness. Interior layout and cabin quality. Inside the Chevrolet Bolt EV, the focus is on space efficiency, comfort, and technology. Despite its compact exterior dimensions, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious, thanks to the electric platform that allows a flat floor and optimized seating layout. The upright seating position provides excellent outward visibility, which is especially beneficial in city traffic and tight parking environments. Materials throughout the cabin are durable and thoughtfully arranged, with a modern aesthetic that reflects the vehicle's forward-thinking nature. The dashboard design is clean and uncluttered, dominated by a large central touchscreen that acts as the control hub for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Soft touch elements and subtle accent trims add a refined touch, while the overall build quality feels solid and well assembled. Infotainment and technology features. Technology plays a major role in the Chevrolet Bolt EV experience. The centerpiece of the cabin is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone integration, allowing seamless access to navigation, calls, music, and apps. The interface is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to use even for drivers new to electric vehicles. A fully digital driver display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, driving range, and energy usage in a clear and customizable format. Real-time efficiency data helps drivers understand how driving habits affect range, encouraging smoother and more economical driving. Advanced connectivity features ensure that the car stays relevant in a tech-driven world, making daily commutes more convenient and enjoyable. Electric powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Chevrolet Bolt EV is an electric motor that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. This immediate power response makes the car feel lively in city driving, allowing quick lane changes and confident merges without any hesitation. While it is not designed as a performance-focused vehicle, the acceleration is more than sufficient for everyday driving and feels quicker than many traditional gasoline-powered compact cars. The single-speed transmission ensures seamless power delivery, eliminating gear shifts and providing a quiet, refined driving experience. The low center of gravity, achieved by placing the battery pack beneath the floor, enhances stability and cornering confidence. This setup results in predictable handling and a planted feel on the road, even during sudden maneuvers. Battery capacity and driving range. One of the most important aspects of any electric vehicle is driving range, and the Chevrolet Bolt EV delivers strong performance in this area. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the Bolt EV offers an impressive range that comfortably supports daily commuting, errands, and even longer trips with proper planning. This range capability significantly reduces range anxiety, making the Bolt EV a practical option for drivers transitioning from traditional fuel-powered vehicles. The efficient energy management system ensures that power is used wisely, maximizing distance without compromising performance or comfort. For most users, a full charge easily covers multiple days of normal driving. Charging options and convenience. Charging flexibility is another strong point of the Chevrolet Bolt EV. The vehicle supports multiple charging solutions, including standard home charging and faster public charging options. Overnight home charging is ideal for daily use, allowing the car to be fully charged and ready each morning without any inconvenience. For longer journeys or quick top-ups, fast charging compatibility enables the battery to gain significant range in a relatively short amount of time. The charging port is conveniently located and easy to access, while onboard charging indicators keep drivers informed about charging status and remaining time. This versatility ensures that the Bolt EV fits smoothly into various lifestyles and driving routines. Driving comfort and ride quality. Comfort is a key focus in the Chevrolet Bolt EV's design. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, providing a smooth and composed ride on both city streets and highways. Road noise is minimal, and the absence of an internal combustion engine results in a calm and quiet cabin environment. The seats are supportive and well-cushioned, making longer drives comfortable without causing fatigue. Climate control systems are efficient and designed to minimize energy consumption while maintaining cabin comfort. Overall, the driving experience feels relaxed and refined, encouraging stress-free daily travel. Safety and driver assistance systems. Safety is an essential component of the Chevrolet Bolt EV, and the vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems help enhance awareness and reduce the risk of accidents in everyday driving scenarios. Features such as collision alerts, lane assistance, and parking aids work together to provide added confidence behind the wheel. The car's strong structural design and low center of gravity contribute to stable handling and improved crash safety. High-visibility lighting systems and responsive braking further enhance overall safety. These features make the Bolt EV a reassuring choice for families and daily commuters alike. Practicality and cargo space. Practicality is where the Chevrolet Bolt EV truly shines. The hatchback design offers versatile cargo space that can easily accommodate groceries, luggage, or daily essentials. Rear seats can be folded down to create additional room when needed, making the car adaptable for various situations. Storage compartments throughout the cabin add convenience, allowing items to be organized neatly and kept within easy reach. Despite its compact size, the Bolt EV proves that electric vehicles can be both efficient and highly practical for everyday use. Ownership experience and cost efficiency. Owning an electric vehicle like the Chevrolet Bolt EV brings significant long-term benefits. Lower running costs, reduced maintenance requirements, and the absence of fuel expenses contribute to overall cost efficiency. Electric motors require fewer moving parts, which means less wear and tear compared to traditional engines. Additionally, the Bolt EV's efficient energy consumption translates into lower operating costs per mile. For drivers seeking an economical and environmentally conscious transportation solution, this vehicle presents a compelling case without sacrificing comfort or modern features. Conclusion. The Chevrolet Bolt EV represents a smart and practical approach to electric mobility. It combines impressive range, reliable performance, modern technology, and everyday usability in a compact and approachable package. Rather than focusing on extremes, it delivers a well-rounded driving experience that suits real-world needs. For those looking to embrace electric driving without unnecessary complexity or compromise, the Chevrolet Bolt EV stands as a strong and sensible choice. It proves that electric vehicles can be efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable, all while supporting a cleaner and more sustainable future. If you found this detailed review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more professional car content coming your way.